The A20X is packed with amazing features. Follow these setup videos to use all that the A20X has to offer. Let's connect your Logitech A20X multi-platform headset and base station to your Xbox Series X or S, PS5, Switch, PC, and all other gaming systems. Here is everything that came in the box. The headset, 48 kHz boom microphone, PlaySync base, and 2 USB-A to USB-C cables. Next, let's take a look at the A20X headset. Here's the power switch, Bluetooth button, volume knob, mute toggle, USB-C charge port, PlaySync button, and game chat balancing rocker. On the other side is your mic port. Let's set up your A20X multi-platform headset and base station. First, let's connect your mic to your headset. The A20X can connect to 2 gaming consoles simultaneously, allowing you to switch between them with ease. First, let's charge your A20X. Use the provided USB-C to USB-A cable. Connect the USB-A end to either a console or USB power adapter. Plug the USB-C end directly into your headset's USB port to charge, and your headset should start charging. To connect your Xbox, first grab the USB-C to USB-A cable that came with your A20X. Connect the USB-C side to your PlaySync base port 2 and set the mode switch to Xbox. Then connect the USB-A side to an open USB-A port on your Xbox. Use the PlaySync button on the headset to switch to port 2.
Xbox.
Now that you're all connected, let's set up your Xbox Series X or S console. First, turn on your A20X. Before beginning, make sure to update to the latest system software on your Xbox. In Xbox settings, volume and audio output, headset audio, we recommend stereo uncompressed. And go to additional options and make sure mute speaker audio when headset is attached is enabled. Now, when the headset is powered on, audio from the Xbox will be auto-routed to the headset. Xbox will notify on screen when the headset is successfully assigned and appropriate modes are set. And you can power it off at any time to resume audio playback to your TV or speakers. Now let's set up your PS5. To connect your PlayStation, set the mode switch to USB. Grab the USB-C to USB-A cable that came with your A20X. Connect the USB-C side to your PlaySync base port 1, then connect the USB-A side to an open USB-A port on your PS5. Tap the PlaySync button on your headset to switch to port 1,
USB 1.
and you should now hear your PlayStation. Let's make sure your console settings are dialed in. Power on your A20X. Make sure to update to the latest system software on your PS5. In Settings, Sound, Audio Output. For output device, choose USB headset A20X. Navigate to the bottom and under Audio Format, Priority, select Linear PCM. If you wish to use PlayStation 3D Audio, please head to 3D Audio Headphones. Under Microphone, be sure A20X is selected. Now, let's set up your A20X on the Nintendo Switch. Power on your A20X. Hold the Bluetooth button
Bluetooth.
to put the A20X into Bluetooth pairing mode. Navigate to the system settings and click on Bluetooth and pair your A20X. To connect to your PC, first grab a spare USB-C to USB-A cable and set the mode switch to PC. Connect the USB-C side to the USB-C port on your A20X base station and the USB-A side to an open USB-A port on your PC. Tap the PlaySync button on the headset to switch to your new connection. Now go to your PC and open the sound settings. Choose Headphones, A20X, as your output device, and Headset Headphone, A20X Mic Out, as your input device. Next, if you don't already have G-Hub downloaded, navigate to logitechg.com/G-Hub in your browser and download the software. When you fire up G-Hub, it will instantly recognize the A20X and walk you through a set of screens to help you get your settings dialed in. You can use G-Hub to adjust the headset EQ curve, microphone EQ curve, mic noise gate, game chat mix, streaming audio mix, device settings, Bluetooth settings, save settings, update your firmware, and more. To connect your phone or mobile device to the A20X, hold down the Bluetooth button on the A20X headset to put it into pairing mode and select A20X from your mobile device's Bluetooth settings. You can use the volume control on your mobile device to mix the audio together with your gaming audio. Head to logitech.com/support for detailed guides and best practices with your A20X. We hope you enjoy your A20X Lightspeed wireless headset with PlaySync audio, and as always, keep playing.